Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am starting working on the Kawasaki 650 Ninja. I don't know if I pronounce this good. We will do now a quick look on the motorcycle. I will show you the damage. So this firing is damaged. A small damage is on the fuel tank. This rear firing is damaged also. There is no seat. We have damage here. This firing also is damaged, but the fender. And like always, I don't know why, another suspension to work with. So that's why I have the motorcycle in this place, because soon few motorcycles will arrive and I will be working with them in this place. So, what's the plan? I will unscrew now the entire firings and the suspension. So, time to do this. So guys, as you can see, almost all firings are gone. Let's do a walk around. So I have to unscrew the footrest, and now I will be disassembling the entire front. Whew. So, like I said, I will unscrew the headlamp, fender. And as you can see, the suspension is bent here. It's time to work further with this bike. Okay guys, so as you can see, almost the entire motorcycle is disassembled. Now I will record a time lapse. I need to disassemble the suspension.
see, wheel is basically straight, and suspension pipes, one is on left side, one is on right side. So now, guys, I have to replace the suspension. Basically, the entire motorcycle is disassembled. What's left is to unscrew the fuel tank. Hi guys. Oh, it's late in the night, but I forgot to unscrew the footrest because I need to go to the Kawasaki dealership, Kawasaki dealership, and order this footrest and this entire bracket. Now I will unscrew it. So I will be doing this, as you can see, almost live. I am doing this first time. Maybe not first time in my life, but first time on this motorcycle. So maybe I am doing this wrong, but who knows? OMG, here is one giant bolt. You see this? And this holds this entire bracket. I need a bigger wrench. But this is a bolt from the rear swing arm. Wait, give me a sec. And Houston, we got a problem. This entire bolt is from swing arm. So if I will unscrew this bolt, I have to unscrew it from this side. The swing arm will fall off. What? 1 minute job, and I will spend a little bit more here because, like, I know now, I see that kind of stuff first time. This is the bolt, and this bolt holding this bracket, and this bolt is also a bolt from the swing arm. So if I will unscrew the bolt, the entire motorcycle will drop. So I have something in mind. I need some kind of pipe. I need to find the pipe, and I will put the pipe here, and it will hold the swing arm in position. So guys, need is a mother of science. So I found that kind of pipe. It's fit very well, but it's too long. We will see what happened. Guys, I think it worked. Woo! I will solve the rest later. So I unscrew everything. Now it's I think brake sensor. And I have ordered this back new. I because there is no used ones. And I will do a reverse mounting of this thing together. I came here for 1 minute, you know. Took me a bit longer. Oh, okay. Whew, done, guys, done. So I have to order this thing new because I cannot find used one anywhere in my area, so I will order it in Kawasaki. I will tell you the price of it and I will reinstall it and I will reinstall back together. Thank you guys. So guys, this will be it for today's episode. I will be posting new episode soon and it will be painting of this bad boy. Hope you like that kind of movie. And guys, see you all to the next time. Love you guys. Bye. Woo.